Unit 3 IAL Biology is the trickiest of all units. That's because it's hard to predict what questions are going to be asked in the exam. Nonetheless, there is an easy way to prepare for the exam and score a full mark. First of all, you need to secure the mark for all the 9 core practicals. In addition, you should be able to do low power and high power microscope drawings. Most importantly, you should do past papers. As always, start solving from 2019, the year where they've changed the syllabus, and do as many past papers as possible. If you have extra time and you want to do the earlier exams, don't do the second question, just do the first one, because the second question has a totally different format than your exam. The best thing about solving past papers is that the questions are repeating very often. Just like the last exam session in Jan 2025. The majority of questions in the exam paper have come before. Many students ask me, do I need to study the theory part of Unit 1 and Unit 2 for the Unit 3 exam? The answer is yes, but if you're short of time, there are topics that come more often in Unit 3, including biological molecules and the part about the structure of the heart. Nonetheless, the theory questions are only worth few marks in the Unit 3 exam. If you don't have enough time, focus more on the practical part and make sure you study all the little details of those core practicals. I hope that this was helpful. Feel free to ask if you have any questions.